Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis on low pressure area Obet, and this is the initial update for this early morning of Thursday, October 20, 2022. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Aboitiz Power and College Foundation. Well, the low pressure area that we are monitoring is slowly intensifying. Pag-asa already upgraded it into a tropical depression, but right now it's still early to intensify it or to classify it as a tropical depression based on our observation. And it's likely to become a tropical depression within a day. So we are going to observe this in the next couple of days for a possible track similar to Neneng, and it may cross the extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly the same area where Typhoon Neneng passed by, which is the Babuyan Cubab Islands. So here's the fast animation as of this time. It's quasi-stationary with a slow drift towards the west-southwest. And we have here a trough embedded within this tropical low. And to the south, affecting Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Bicol region, portions of the Visayas, is also the so-called surface trough, which is bringing some thunderstorms, being enhanced by the prevailing La Nina phenomenon. And up here over the extreme northern parts of Luzon, we have a strong surge of the northeast monsoon. And this is an early blast since last week. It's been prevailing over these areas of the northernmost part of Luzon, including Taiwan and southern China. And if we take a look at the tracking of Typhoon 2000, which we issued around 2 p.m. So this is the track as a low pressure system, but within the next couple of days it may develop into a tropical depression. And this wind estimates here are still the initial one, and we are going to upgrade this into a and it's likely to also become a tropical storm if development continues, but if not, it will remain as a tropical depression traversing the Babuyan Cubab Islands come Friday evening through Saturday morning. And it will move out of the Philippine area responsibility in the evening of Saturday, all the way towards, on its way towards Vietnam. So this is a thing to watch this coming weekend. So folks over extreme northern Luzon, please take all necessary precaution and just look at this cone of uncertainty for possible passage of this system. So northern Luzon is not yet out of the woods, since if you can see this shading, the area of uncertainty, you are included provinces of northern Luzon from northern portions of Benguet up to the Ilocos provinces. Now let's take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. We switch to infrared, and you can still observe some thunderstorm activity across central Luzon, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, and also here over the Visayas and northern or northeastern Mindanao and Zamboanga Peninsula. There are some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Here's now the tropical low pressure system, which could develop into a tropical depression. Here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 24 hours. As you can see, this rainfall here is brought to you by the prevailing northeast monsoon, and the storm is still here. But within the next 3 days, it will start to move towards the west-southwest and west. So a trail of rains will be expected over extreme northern Luzon, particularly Cagayan and Ilocos provinces, Kalinga and Apayao. The rest will be experiencing some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And here's the wind forecast for the next week. Okay, we're going to show you another LPA that is expected to form and even become a tropical depression. Right now, both models are forecasting it to become an active LPA or even a tropical depression between October 26 to 28. So the European model, sad to say, is now also included in the formation, but no longer at the strong typhoon, which was forecasted first by the American model. So here you go. You can see here as an active LPA Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, October 26 to 28. And it shows a track towards Eastern Visayas. So we wait and see, okay? And we still don't know, since the probability of more than 6 days remains at 25% and below. Okay, how about the American model? Still, actually, it's also the same. Tuesday, Wednesday, next week, it's a low pressure system, and also might become a tropical depression. So it depends, since every day we have new output from the computer models. As the days goes nearer and nearer for next week, we should see what will be the final outcome of this potential low pressure system. On Friday, it also makes, on Friday it shows that it may pass over Eastern Visayas, and yet another one will form here, but the European model doesn't show anything, just this one. So let's wait and see. Let's hope and pray it won't become a powerful typhoon. But we are always here to give you the very latest, and we will return again tomorrow to give you more updates on the weather. And before we say goodbye, here's the latest GovSat that we issued around 11 p.m. this evening. And we have here the LPA92W, an active one. It's now upgraded into high chance of becoming tropical depression. Pag-asa upgraded it earlier as Obet, and it is expected to pass over here. And we have the northeast monsoon here across the northern portions of Luzon, including Batanes, Babuyan Group, and Nesat. This is Neneng, formerly Neneng, moving closer towards the coastal areas of north-central Vietnam. Okay, so right now it's still 900 kilometers away from Santa Ana, Cagayan, but folks over extreme northern Luzon, please take all necessary precautions and be prepared on the arrival of this soon-to-be tropical depression or tropical storm. Okay, so far that's the latest for this early Thursday morning, and we will return on Friday or tomorrow to give you more updates on this tropical disturbance or LPA. And let's hope and pray it won't be a strong one. Okay. This is Mike, and see you again tomorrow. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel.